Imagine a world where your mind is sharper, your memory is crystal clear, and your focus is laser-like. Enter lion's mane mushroom, a fascinating fungi with a long history of medicinal use, particularly in traditional Chinese medicine. This remarkable mushroom, resembling a cascade of white icicles, is more than just a culinary delicacy. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your brain. Lion's mane mushroom, scientifically known as Hericium erinaceus, has garnered significant attention for its potential to boost cognitive function, enhance memory, and improve overall brain health. Get ready to embark on a journey into the fascinating world of lion's mane mushroom and discover the transformative power it holds for your mind and overall well-being. Lion's mane mushroom, with its distinctive appearance resembling a lion's mane, has been a prized possession in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Its unique appearance and potent properties have earned it various names across cultures, including Yamabushitake in Japan and Ho-to-gu in China. For generations, lion's mane mushroom has been used to support cognitive function, enhance memory, and promote overall vitality. Today, with the growing body of scientific evidence supporting its benefits, lion's mane mushroom is experiencing a resurgence in popularity worldwide. Prepare to be amazed by the power of nature's very own brain booster. Lion's mane mushroom, despite its exotic-sounding names, is not confined to the remote mountains of Asia. This fascinating fungi boasts a global presence, thriving in various parts of the world, including North America, Europe, and even parts of South America. Its preferred habitat is the decaying wood of hardwood trees, particularly beech, oak, and maple trees. While lion's mane mushroom can be found in the wild, its cultivation has become increasingly popular in recent years. Whether foraged from the wild or cultivated, lion's mane mushroom retains its unique appearance and potent properties. Lion's mane mushrooms, with their ethereal beauty and remarkable properties, are often referred to as the jewels of the forest. They play a vital role in the delicate balance of forest ecosystems, acting as decomposers that break down deadwood and return essential nutrients to the soil. In North America, lion's mane mushrooms are commonly found in the deciduous forests of the eastern United States and Canada. In Europe, they are found throughout the continent, from the ancient woodlands of Scandinavia to the Mediterranean forests of southern Europe. Their presence enriches these diverse environments, contributing to the intricate web of life that sustains these ecosystems. For centuries, lion's mane mushroom remained a hidden treasure, known primarily to those who lived in close proximity to the forests where it grew. In ancient China, lion's mane mushroom was reserved for the emperor and his court, considered a delicacy and a symbol of longevity and good health. In Japan, Buddhist monks incorporated lion's mane mushroom into their diets to enhance cognitive function and improve focus during meditation. The traditional uses of lion's mane mushroom extended beyond its cognitive benefits. Its versatility as a medicinal mushroom solidified its place in the annals of traditional medicine, earning it a revered status that continues to this day. Lion's mane mushroom, beyond its intriguing appearance, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that contribute to its remarkable health benefits. This mushroom is an excellent source of protein, fiber, and essential amino acids, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. One of the standout features of lion's mane mushroom is its high concentration of beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber known for its immune-boosting and cholesterol-lowering effects. In addition to beta-glucans, lion's mane mushroom contains a variety of antioxidants, such as ergothioneine and glutathione, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, lion's mane mushroom is a good source of essential minerals, including potassium, zinc, and selenium, which are crucial for various bodily functions. While lion's mane mushroom offers a wide range of health benefits, its most celebrated attribute is its remarkable ability to enhance cognitive function. This mushroom contains two unique compounds, hericenones and erinacines, which have been shown to stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, in the brain. Studies have shown that lion's mane mushroom can improve various aspects of cognitive function, including memory, focus, and attention. Furthermore, lion's mane mushroom has shown promise in mitigating age-related cognitive decline. By boosting NGF production, lion's mane mushroom may help to slow down this process and protect the brain from the damaging effects of aging. Nerve growth factor, or NGF, is the key player in lion's mane mushroom's brain-boosting effects. It acts as a nourishing and protective factor for neurons, promoting their growth, survival, and ability to form new connections, a process known as neuroplasticity. NGF stimulates the production of new neurons in the hippocampus, enhancing the brain's capacity for learning, memory formation, and cognitive flexibility. Furthermore, NGF promotes myelination, the process of forming a fatty sheath called myelin around nerve fibers. By boosting NGF levels, lion's mane mushroom enhances neuroplasticity, strengthens neuronal connections, and promotes the growth and survival of these essential brain cells. While lion's mane mushroom is renowned for its brain-boosting prowess, its benefits extend far beyond cognitive enhancement, encompassing a holistic approach to well-being. Lion's mane mushroom has shown promise in supporting digestive health. Its prebiotic effects, attributed to its beta-glucan content, nourish beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy balance in the gut microbiome. Furthermore, lion's mane mushroom exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, which may help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. By reducing inflammation, lion's mane mushroom may play a role in preventing and managing various chronic diseases. Lion's mane mushroom, once revered primarily in traditional medicine, has stepped into the limelight of modern science, captivating researchers with its remarkable therapeutic potential. One of the key areas of research focuses on understanding the mechanisms by which lion's mane mushroom exerts its effects on the brain. Scientists are particularly interested in the mushroom's ability to stimulate nerve growth factor, or NGF, production, a process that plays a crucial role in neuronal growth, survival, and function. Another area of active research involves exploring the potential of lion's mane mushroom in the prevention and treatment of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The scientific community's growing interest in lion's mane mushroom is fueled by the promising results of preclinical and clinical studies. Cognitive enhancement. The evidence mounts. The scientific community's fascination with lion's mane mushroom stems from its unique properties and growing evidence supporting its efficacy in enhancing cognitive function. Numerous studies have demonstrated the mushroom's potential to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. One notable study in 2009 showed significant improvements in cognitive function in older adults with mild cognitive impairment. These improvements were particularly noticeable in areas such as memory, attention, and visual spatial processing. The study's findings suggest that lion's mane mushroom may hold promise as a natural remedy for age-related cognitive decline. A beacon of hope for neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's present a formidable challenge in modern medicine. Lion's mane mushroom has emerged as a potential beacon of hope. Imagine a world where a natural remedy could offer a fighting chance against these conditions. Research on lion's mane mushroom has yielded promising results. Studies show lion's mane can protect neurons and reduce amyloid plaques. These findings suggest lion's mane may possess neuroprotective properties. A study found that mice treated with lion's mane showed cognitive improvements and reduced amyloid plaques. These findings provide encouraging evidence for lion's mane as a therapeutic agent. Another study found improvements in motor function and dopamine levels in mice with Parkinson's. Lion's mane may hold promise as a potential treatment for Parkinson's disease. Safety and side effects, what you need to know. Consider the safety and potential side effects of lion's mane mushroom before incorporating it into your health regimen. Lion's mane is generally well tolerated, with few reported side effects. However, it's always prudent to err on the side of caution. The most common side effects are mild and typically gastrointestinal. Some individuals may experience upset stomach, nausea, or diarrhea. These effects are usually temporary and subside with continued use. Start with a low dose and gradually increase it to minimize discomfort. If you have a known allergy to mushrooms, consult with your healthcare provider before trying lion's mane. Seek medical attention immediately if you experience any signs of an allergic reaction. Always prioritize safety and seek personalized guidance from your healthcare professional. While scientific studies provide a valuable framework for understanding the potential benefits of lion's mane mushroom, there's something profoundly compelling about hearing first-hand accounts from individuals whose lives have been touched by this remarkable fungi. These personal stories, often imbued with emotion, hope, and a touch of awe, offer a glimpse into the transformative power of lion's mane and its ability to improve cognitive function, enhance well-being, and inspire a sense of renewed vitality. Imagine listening to these stories, each one a testament to the power of nature's pharmacy and the potential for healing and transformation that lies within the realm of natural remedies. From students struggling to focus amidst the demands of academia to artists seeking to reignite their creative spark, individuals from all walks of life have reported experiencing remarkable benefits from incorporating lion's mane mushroom into their daily routines. These anecdotal accounts, while not a substitute for rigorous scientific evidence, provide a valuable complement to the research, offering a human face to the science and highlighting the real-world impact of this extraordinary mushroom. Next, we'll delve into the personal journeys of individuals who have witnessed firsthand the transformative power of lion's mane mushroom. Their stories, shared with candor and gratitude, offer a glimpse into the multifaceted ways in which this fungi can enhance cognitive function, improve quality of life, and inspire a sense of renewed hope and possibility. Prepare to be inspired by their experiences and to discover the potential of lion's mane to unlock a world of cognitive clarity, enhanced creativity, and overall well-being. A student's journey with lion's mane. From fog to focus. Sarah, a bright college student, struggled with focus and concentration. The demands of her coursework left her feeling overwhelmed and mentally drained. She found it difficult to absorb information during lectures. Desperate for a solution, Sarah researched natural remedies. Her search led her to lion's mane mushroom, known for its cognitive-enhancing properties. Sarah decided to try it, hoping for mental clarity and focus. Within weeks, she noticed a difference. The mental fog lifted, replaced by clarity and focus. Her grades improved, and she felt mentally sharp. Lion's mane became her secret weapon, unlocking her full academic potential. Rediscovering creativity, an artist's experience with lion's mane. Mark, a talented artist, had been grappling with a creative block for months. His inspiration had dwindled, leaving him staring blankly at his canvases. Surrounded by unfinished canvases, Mark felt a disheartening sense of frustration. His research led him to lion's mane mushroom, known for boosting creativity. Mark decided to incorporate lion's mane into his daily routine. To his astonishment, the effects were transformative. Within weeks, he felt a surge of creative energy. His brush danced across the canvas with renewed vigor. The creative block crumbled away, replaced by inspiration and artistic flow. Unlock your cognitive potential. Lion's mane mushroom can enhance our cognitive abilities and overall well-being. From traditional medicine to modern brain booster, this fungi holds the power to transform our minds, It stimulates nerve growth factor production, improving memory and focus. Personal stories reveal its transformative power. Ongoing research promises more exciting revelations. Lion's mane stands as a testament to nature's healing power. Final thoughts. Remember, the information here is for educational purposes and not medical advice. Consult your healthcare provider before adding new supplements, especially if you have health conditions. Source lion's mane from reputable suppliers for quality and purity. Thank you for joining us. Like, subscribe, and share for more insights. Until next time, may your journey be filled with vibrant health and cognitive clarity.